Hello and welcome to Unique Home Solutions and more. Are you spending money on ingredients but still struggling to produce quality liquid soap? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how I produce high quality soap using a simple process that helps reduce waste and gives consistent results. Whether you are making soap, liquid soap for your home, for your business, or for your customers, paying attention to the little details makes a big difference. Let's get started, guys. As you watch this production process, notice that I didn't rush any of the stages. One mistake many beginners make is believing that speed is more important than accuracy. In reality, careful measurements and proper mixing produce better results than rushing through the process. Quality begins long before the final product is packaged. It begins with choosing good ingredients, measuring them correctly, and following the right procedure. As I continue mixing, you will notice that I allow each ingredient to dissolve completely in order to blend properly before adding the next one. This simple habit helps produce a smoother and more consistent liquid soap. Another important lesson that I want you to take note of is this: don't waste ingredients by guessing measurements. Always work with the correct quantities. Guesswork often leads to poor results and unnecessary expenses. If you are producing for customers, consistency is one of the greatest ways to build trust. Customers should receive the same quality every time they buy from you. That consistency is what keeps them coming back again and again. As you can see, patience is part of the production process. Quality products are not made by chance. Quality products are made through careful attention to every step. If you want your business to grow, make quality your priority, because a satisfied customer is more likely to recommend your product to family and friends. That's one of the simplest ways to grow any small business. I hope you have learned something valuable from this production session today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who wants to learn liquid soap production. And subscribe to Unique Home Solutions and more if you haven't already. Every Thursday, I share practical videos on the production of cleaning products and how to build a profitable business around them. And if you are interested in learning more, our Unique Home Solutions Academy is almost ready to admit students. We have packages that cover cleaning products and oil perfume, and all you need to know to start up a small scale business around these products. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving, and keep building. Don't forget to like this video and share to your friends, and also drop your comments in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Please drop your comment and I will be right in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. See you again in our next video. Thank you and bye bye.